Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a long time ever since I made a video. If you're using Lenovo LOQ series, especially the LOQ 151RH8, and your touchpad suddenly stopped working after Windows update. So after updating Windows, the touchpad becomes completely unresponsive, no gestures, no clicks, nothing. It's super frustrating, especially if you don't have a mouse. The good news is there's a fix. So you need to download the driver. So before that, so go to the device manager. So you need to go to the main interface devices where you find this one. You need to uninstall this driver. So once you uninstall, then install this driver. That is the download. Okay, run the setup, install. Okay, once you install, I've already installed it. Restart the system. So it will work, and it worked for me. So hope it works for you. I've added the download link in the description below. Just download the driver and install it. If this fix helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and drop a comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.